Hey, howdy, it's Cameron, and welcome to my top 10s list on the top 10 best SpongeBob episodes. Now, before we begin, I just want to say that this is my opinion, and some of you might not agree to this list, but I just want to say that this is my opinion. So, starting off with number 10 is New Student Starfish. In this episode, SpongeBob and Patrick were acting very stupid, yet this episode was very funny. In this episode, SpongeBob was actually trying to be responsible, but Patrick kept getting him in trouble. This led to the point where SpongeBob called Patrick a stupid starfish, and I do not blame him because Patrick was being very annoying to SpongeBob in this episode. However, they do both become friends again after Roger's light went out and realized that they had to work together to fix it. The episode went from funny to serious very fast, and it also is a great episode that you should check out if you haven't already. Number 9, No Weenies Allowed. This episode really showed how weak SpongeBob is. Another episode where SpongeBob really tried his best. I feel like this episode shows that not everyone belongs in the same place, and that there is some place out there for everybody. This is definitely a great episode that you should all check out. Number 8, It's SpongeBob Christmas. This episode had great animation, great music, and did a great job explaining the true meaning of Christmas. It's definitely the best episode of Season 8, and you should definitely go check it out as well. Number 7, Have You Seen the Snail? In this episode, SpongeBob does the Dirty Bubble Challenge and forgets to feed Gary. Gary runs away, and SpongeBob must find him. SpongeBob never gives up on this mission, and he mentions that he is sorry several times in this episode. The music in this episode is very fantastic and very emotional, as well as the whole episode is. Number 6, Pizza Delivery. In this episode, Squidward and SpongeBob have to deliver a pizza. In this episode, you can really see the challenges they go through to get the pizza there, and the challenges they have to go through with hunger, and they try not to be tempted to eat the pizza. When they finally arrive, the customer is being a jerk because he did not get his drink. Then Squidward threw pizza in his face. I feel like he did it because he felt bad. He felt like SpongeBob should have been congratulated, and well, because he did not want to listen to him crying on the way back. Number 5, Hooky. This episode is definitely a classic. I love how they relate to sea life to life on Earth. For example, in the Herc's fishing poles in the water that humans were holding on to, this episode had a good blend of animation and live action as well. I love how SpongeBob and Patrick got plenty of warnings, and they both get what they deserve finally at the end-ish. If you haven't seen this episode, then, well, go watch it. Number 4, Imitation Crabs. This episode is definitely my favorite Plankton episode. This episode is basically about who to believe. This is definitely one of those times where Plankton came close to getting the Krabby Patty formula. Number 3, Big Pink Loser. Season 2, Episode 5. This episode was about how Patrick never got one trophy and SpongeBob has tons. SpongeBob tried to help him by getting him a job at the Krusty Krab, but Patrick was too stupid to do anything. Or what he tried to do, he basically failed at it. Patrick thought the only way to get it was to copy SpongeBob. After several times, Patrick finally got a trophy. I love how Patrick tried in this episode, and they definitely, well, I'm saying definitely a lot, but they showed Patrick's personality a lot in this episode. Number 2, Opposite Day. This episode does not have much of a theme, not an emotional episode, not a scary one either. This was just a hilarious, classic, funny episode. This is the funniest SpongeBob episode in my opinion, but you all should go check it out. Number 1, Rock Bottom. This may be a surprise for lots of you, but I really enjoyed this episode. This is the scariest SpongeBob episode, again, in my opinion, and let me tell you why. First, the designs for the people on Rock Bottom. The monsters or aliens in Rock Bottom just look so creepy, unlike the ones on Bikini Bottom. The ones on Bikini Bottom are more like silly. SpongeBob also kept losing things like his Glove World flashlight, even Patrick. This episode was also pretty funny, like when they were talking like this. Again, if you have not seen this episode, then go see it, or if you have, then just go watch it again. Honorable mentions are Mermaid Man and Barnacle Boy 3 and SB129, which were originally on this list. There's lots of great SpongeBob episodes, and lots of crappy ones, but I narrowed my list to this. If there's an episode that you guys like and it is not on the list, I most likely like it. It's just not on the list. But again, this is just my opinion. Also, since summer is just around the corner, my schedule is going to be completely random now, meaning my videos could be whenever. It also helps so I don't have to rush or get a video out by Thursday, and I can just work at my own pace. That's all for now. Make sure to hit that like button on the ring finger so you can marry it. So, see ya, suckers. I'm going to Bikini Bottom. And bye.